right here. Here she is. Ooh!
Oh my god.
Ooh. Rock your head.
Brilliant.
Really, there's just so much. Everything.
Let's
record that.
doing.
Let's record that. Hold on.
Shoulders and neck, always tight.
Okay.
I just keep thinking about everything. I'm like, oh, my wrists are sore, my ankles hurt, all of it.
My stomach hurts. And so dealing with it, and let me see though. Let me check your posture again.
Oh yeah.
Just making sure it's not nothing. Okay, left. Yeah, and then turn towards me.
What happened to my hips?
You just have this left pelvic shift.
Because I grew up trying to be shorter, so I did a lot of deep standing hip popping.
Again, stop me at any point if it's like too much. Right side is tighter than the left. Feel that? I'm gonna hold it. This is where we have a blockade.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, you must carry him on your left.
Oh my gosh, I do, because I'm lefty.
That's it. Let it go. That's it. You're doing okay.
Wow.
I'm gonna definitely see. This is all right to me.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
There, we're getting some range of motion. Here we go. There, it's coming out. It's coming out. Perfect. That one's just what's left. Okay, I'm gonna come back to the neck and everything, but it really needs the adjustment on this side. Right there.
Yeah, that's where I get big tight spots.
How about up in the skull? Not too bad up here, right?
I mean, that just feels really good. But yeah, there's always like a spot there that
Right
I feel
there.
like always gets really tight.
Well, compared to this side, you know, this feels more grainy right there versus up here. Yeah, so I gotta come back in here. You know, all that stuff that I do with the cone and the script, that's to tack these back down. They're lifted. There you go. Okay, let's adjust it. Chin up for me. Hey guys, if you didn't know already, we released our brand new roller. If you pay close attention, you'll see it in the background of every single one of my videos. Shaped and designed by yours truly, it's made to get in those tough to reach areas. Go check the link in my bio to visit our official merch website. Back, perfect. There they all go. Breathe, you alright?
Yes.
And then chin up again for me. Just a minor correction over here. Perfect. That's it. Better. Yeah. Feel now it's like bouncing. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
That's what she's like, okay.
Like, whatever you want to do.
Your toe's back in place. That little toe there. This one.
Yeah.
Oh, there it goes.
Wow.
Yeah. No baby in there this time.
Cool.
I know. It's like, here we go. And now I know this is the knee that got any pain in here.
I mean, it's regular aching.
Okay, nothing sharp.
No. Yep, that is the spot that I'm always like.
I believe you. Ooh. Is it sore, huh? You have a general right lateral curvature. That's why that shoulder is there. Okay, I got it now. Oh, there's another one. Ooh. Oh, God! You felt me shudder. I'm so sorry. I saw like a flash inside the room. I was like, ah! I looked up at Linnea and we were like, what? You're like all down in a dark hole.
That's how powerful my spine is.
Summoning the lizard.
All right, take a deep breath in. Good. I think I got you. I think I know what to do now. You know, it's been a little while, so I gotta remember. What tricks does she respond to? Deep breath in. Perfect. Deep breath in. Okay, that's as much as she goes. There they go. That's it. Okay. Okay. Ooh!
Oh my god. So crazy.
That was needed. Ooh, pocket of fluid in there. It's probably, yeah, left over. Oh, I see what you mean about the left. Okay. Any pain when I do this?
No.
How about this?
No.
You feel pretty balanced. Not too bad. Yeah, it's definitely, let's see. Take a deep breath in. I'm gonna bounce a little. All out. That's it. One okay.
Yep. Wow, it's crazy.
Me.
Sure you're used to that.
Doing okay. It's coming out.
Mm-hmm.
It's getting less and less. Yeah, it's just this small little spot here. But see how that's all swollen? This side, not as bad, right? Oh, she's like, no.
It's making the other side
Pop
light
out.
up. Yeah, it's crazy.
Yeah, see, because I'm pushing. It's very difficult to work on this side and not influence this. Okay.
Wow, this is the best.
Oh, yeah. it's too much, just let me know, okay?
The heck is that? A muscle?
Well,
A bone?
a little bit of both. That's it. Perfect. Doing okay? That's it. There's, oh wow, look at that. Okay. Breathe. Do about 5 times. 1, 2, 3. It's almost out. 4. Yeah, there you go. Perfect. Okay, I gotta take it to the side. Breathe. Oh, I lost it. There we go. One more time. See, let's see what happened. No, this is perfect. Nothing in here. Nothing. Feels great. Not feeling any catches, like, nope, nothing. Stretch the tailbone. There you go. You're gonna feel it kind of separate here. There you go. Oh, it feels great. It's just this one here. Okay, don't forget that one when you go home. Yeah.
That's spicy.
Okay, it's going, well, it's coming out.
I know, I love it. I kind of want you to.
It's like, see, it's not that big ball anymore. I'm kind of gliding right through it now. That's it. Done. Okay, there's no more knot, okay?
I love it. I love it. It hurts so good.
Okay, it looks pretty balanced, huh? Now, scraping. I mean, I don't feel any pockets. Down here, we can check the top. Look up for me just a little bit and then back down.
Woohoo!
Yeah. This is the uneventful part on the camera, but not for you.
No, no.
This is the part that was like, what's she doing?
Things you could never imagine.
I know, that's the headache one.
Yep.
It's the one that causes a lot of headaches. Give you a break. Okay, all right. No, that feels not let go. It's just this right, you know, right? But it's funny how this, now I'm finding this. Are you okay if I just push like that? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'll give you a break. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Take a breath. 4, 3. back off. Deep breath in. This arm. Let's see what's underneath here. Take a deep breath. Here we go. There it goes. All right.
Wow. Whoa.
Okay, keep your arm there. Just take a little break. Okay. It's kind of, let's see what we can get out of this one. Ooh, there we go. Take a deep breath in. That allows me to feel that rib. Then I'm going to push down on it. That's it. Right here, a little sharp, and then it goes. There you go. Okay, let's take this back. Nah, nothing here. Good. Doing okay?
Oh, yes.
Okay, I'm gonna keep it there.
Oh, yes.
Oh, this feels great. I want to check up into the armpit. Let's see if it's up in here. Just a tiny bit. Ooh. I want to hold pressure here. Deep breath in. I got you. Ooh. That's all she goes. Yep, I took it there. Other side. That's all it goes. Drop the shoulder. Drop, 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 drop. Hold on. Hold on. Are you okay? Is it hurt? You
No.
okay? I'm sorry. I'm checking it that way. Yep, that's. Let the leg go. I got you. That's all she goes. Hold on. There, that's it. On your back, on your back. You're gonna feel it rotate around. Yep. I'm holding one side down on the table, and then you spin the sacrum around
So good.
the locked side.
I just felt that whole
Yeah.
very good. Oh, it's like the relief that I needed. For sure.
Oh, when I give birth, I'm like, somebody put my pelvis back, please. My hands stay here, press out against my arms. More. Right there, perfect. And then squeeze. A little more. There it goes, going all by itself. Squeeze. There's the other side, perfect. You did it. All right, that should feel good. That always feels good when somebody can get that. Yeah. There and back
of
of
it.
it.
We help women get back to their.
I don't know. I don't think anybody knows.
Their stuff stuck back to their bones.
I don't know.
Whoa.
It takes somebody like me, or chiropractor probably, that knows enough of the anatomy. Wow. To figure that one out. They call it gut smashing, I think, in yogi terms. See, this side isn't as bad. Can you tell that?
Yeah.
Might be a little bit more tender because I'm actually right there. So he must have been sitting on this side because there just really isn't much here. What's going on with the jaw then?
It's just always tight. I clench it.
So what you can do is kind of do this and hold on and open up the jaw.
Oh my God! Ow.
No? Okay.
Wait.
Let me go lighter.
Okay, I'm not gonna smile.
Yeah, you see how I'm stretching it and close. You can do that to yourself. Push up against the bottom part of the cheek. Push up, now open. Oh God. Okay, just do whatever you can do. The second one is to come down onto the jaw and open up there too. I'll show you first. And now open. Okay. To the temporalis muscle and open.
Oh.
Okay.
Wow.
So those you can do yourself. You got 1, 2, and 3 down. If you want to start at the bottom, 1, 2, 3. This is what I was feeling when you were on your stomach.
Oh yeah.
So you just take this, and it's whatever your tolerance is. I hold onto it, and I'll open up your jaw. That's it. Find a new spot, and open. Here's the big one. Okay, this is the big one. So open up a little bit more. I'm gonna find it. I gotta poke a little bit until I find it. Okay, open up a little, and then relax. I got it.
Oh my God.
Yeah, it's that one. Okay, right there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take a break. Yeah, it's definitely tight. She tight. So buccal massage or buccal massage is like this. This is not that.
No.
Okay, we've almost got it. I'm gonna go 5 more times. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Done. Yeah, you need more of that, but that's the one that tightens.
Whoa.
Now just relax. Open up the jaw. Yeah, little tears come out.
I can't.
Okay. Other
No,
side.
I can't.
Okay, we're just gonna give you a break. Okay? Yeah, you're all right.
Holy.
I gotta find it. Sorry. Try not to gag your patient. Oh. Right here. Here she is. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Take a break. Oh, open a little bit for me. Just a little bit. I gotta get in there. Yep. That one's okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. You're like, okay.
Holy heck. Oh my God. I'm paralyzed.
I'm paralyzed. Just
What?
yeah, so you have a muscle on the inside of the jaw. So you're working here and that's all good, but you need to go to the inside of that bone. There's a muscle on the back side.
I know, because
Most people
that
like-
was so needed.
Just open it. You're okay. I swear, you're all right. Yes.
No, but that was just transformative.
Just open it up. You should be able to. It should be good now.
Wow. That was just years of.
You have more different regions, but they're both tight.
Wow.
Different bands. So it's a band of muscle that goes on the inside of the jaw. Okay, these are all loose. I can tell these have been worked on. But the inside, that little hammock in there, nobody's touched that one.
Holy crap.
Yeah, you got it. I kind of go in and I turn my finger up and I work, so right hand works left side, you understand? And left hand
my
works
God.
right side. You're like, I ain't doing that. Okay, I got you. And then elbow back and towards mine. Hold on to your hip, like hold on to your waist, yes. Now relax here, I got you. Now elbow back. Perfect. You're good. Lean away. No, these are all good. You're fine there. Sit up straight as you can. Yeah, we gotta work a little bit on posture, then lean. Good. I wasn't gonna speak. I was like, I think she knows what's coming. You look a little bit like, you reminded me of, what's her name? Darcy? The girl that plays Rhaenyra.
Emma Darcy?
Emma Darcy, a little bit. I don't know whether it's your smile or... Oh, anyway. Let's see. Come on, stand up, see how it feels. Oh, you're No, it's okay. We're gonna do a stretch. I probably didn't do this either the last time. Right here. This is the apex of your curve. Center it for me. It should be somewhat centered. Perfect. Yep. Now all the way down. You're gonna curl your spine over it. That's it. Now bend your knees. This is the hard, firm one. You're very flexible, so I'm giving you the more advanced one. Okay. And you're taller. So now, if you want more of a stretch, arms go up and over your head. So just raise them up and over. Careful. Perfect. Rule is your hands go numb, bring them down. Don't let anything go numb. Mm-hmm. So you see how you anchor the mid-back to stretch the low back. Right into it, press into it, and now roll your shoulder around it.
Oh.
This is the harder one. You want to try the softer one?
This is nice.
Okay. I just figured that one would probably be best for you because you can handle more pressure than most.
Ah, this thing's great. And then you can like put it behind your actual neck too.
You can. Yep.
I want to see what that feels
Go ahead.
like.
It goes all the way up.
Oh yeah.
And then just rock your head.
Brilliant.
Yes, rock it back and forth. Massage the base of your skull. Just stretch that out. I know, it's a stretch. Look up, look up, look up. Yes, there, that's what you want. Just this right side, right there. So if you can find something that can mimic that.
Yeah.
Adjusting table. Oh, wow, that'd be amazing. That's so good. Thank you.
What? Everyone doesn't act like they're paralyzed afterwards?
No, I think they do it internally. They don't do it like, they don't really about.
This is your actress right here.
I see. You're like, thank you.
So embarrassing. I literally don't care. I totally just feel like
Well, go enjoy it. Go take like you can take like a hot bath.
I'm gonna take
and-
my time coming up.
Yeah, take your time. Wow. Everything's been moved and like shucked around. Yeah, it's been like mobilized, so it's gonna feel really like loose. And then you get endorphin release because of all the joint popping.
Proud to be the over dramatic
Sure.
person.